All right, so I've been asked how did I do my chicken tacos that I posted on Facebook, the little story thing. So these are the ingredients I use to season my chicken. I have salt, beef seasoning. You can use chicken seasoning. I just use it for obviously like seasoning my chicken. Red crushed peppers, paprika, some Italian seasoning, black pepper, garlic, and salt. So for my pepper and Italian seasoning, I use the, which one was it? I used 1/8 of a tablespoon. And for my, what was it? For the beef seasoning, garlic powder, I use the 1/4 of a teaspoon. And for the chili powder, crushed peppers, and salt, I use the 1/2 teaspoon. So that's what I have here. And then obviously you mix this all together. And we're going to get out 2 chicken breasts. There's one, and there is the other. All right, so we're going to slice it down the middle, then again down the middle, and you're going to cut this into 1 inch by inch or so. You want them to be a little bit on the thick side just so you can slice it once it's fully cooked into like slices so you don't have big chunks in your tacos. And yeah, you're going to do the same to the other chicken breast. Once all your chicken is cut up, you want to blend those spices together. Dump it on there. Make sure the chicken pieces get all fully coated. Add a little bit of extra cayenne pepper, chili powder, whatever you want. If you want more color in there. But for me, this was alright. It came out pretty good. So we're going to let this vibe on the side while we do our dough. Our dough is going to be 3 parts flour, or not flour, masa mix. That's what the bag is called, legit what I use. 3 parts water, 3 parts dough. If you feel like it's too runny or too something, you want to get this consistency right here that you can be able to knead it. So just tweak it a little bit, make it so it's workable. And yeah, I was using warm water just to keep it off of my hands. I tried my best to show you this next part. So you're going to put your dough in between 2 pieces of plastic, which I just cut out from a bag. There's my tortilla. If you don't have one, you can use a pot and press it down. So yeah, you grab it, take it out, and I'm going to show you the best way I can to do it. Put your hand halfway to your 4th finger, and once you put it on your comal or whatever you have, you want to lay it like that. Push it with your thumb, and that way it goes down. Let it vibe down and cook for about 5 seconds, 8, 10, just so it barely cooks on the one side, and you want to flip it and leave it longer on that side. And I had mine up to an 8 or 7 on the heat. Once it is pretty much good and cooked on the other side, you're gonna see like little cracks, or like this one looks. You flip it and it blows up, and that's when you know it's good and you did a good job, and you take it out. Cooked. And you put your next one. Alright, so I lost the footage for this, but you put oil in your pan, put it to an 8 or 7, put your chicken in, let it cook. Once it's golden brown, check the biggest piece, cut it in half, make sure there's no pink spots. You grab your tortilla, take out some chicken. Like I said, I do cut mine into like 30 slices per chunk. You put some cebolla, some cilantro, some lettuce or cabbage of your choice. I like my chicken tacos with lettuce, so I put some finely chopped lettuce and my salsa. I did 3 tomatoes on the grill, on the skillet with some chiles, and I blended it, put some onions and cilantro in it, put some lime, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. This recipe was super easy, simple to make. Let me know if you make it. And once again, thank you for watching. And I'm sorry I have not uploaded in 2 freaking months. I can't believe myself. Pero here is a little video, and I hope I have more soon.